in the RJC, now the big number 3. Riley Jean, you go get him. She's in Columbus.
All right, and we've got Atticus Kerr celebrating birthday number 3 this year in Baxter Springs.
Cool haircut, Atticus. I like it. All right, everybody who's roaming the kindergarten halls at Frank Layden Elementary in the NAC, I want you to track down that dude right there. Socially distance. Make sure you got your mask on. But I want everybody to wish Gunnar Martin a big 6th birthday. He's in Weir.
All right, Colton Wurtzberger turning 8 years old in Pittsburgh.
H squared, Hadley Hilburn. She is celebrating her 11th birthday. Hadley, a very happy birthday to you.
All right.
Oh, Seneca, look at that bow. How cool is that bow? The SEN and the ECA.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, that's cool.
That's awesome, Hadley. Little Seneca Indian pride right there.
Like it. Good eye there, Michael. Maverick Sharp turning 13 years old this year. Maverick is celebrating in Parsons, Kansas.
Brady Ball, a happy 16th birthday. Love the balloons there, Brady. She's in Neosha.
All right, I like the balloons too. Lindsay Faye Goodwin turning 16 years old this year. Happy birthday to Lindsay. Love Dad, Mom, and Brandon.
All right, these birthday wishes come from Uncle Paul and Aunt Ashley, and that's for Paige Sinks as she turns 18. Happy birthday, Paige.
And there we go. We've got Dylan Wilson.
Who that is?
Looks like he's about to go airborne or something. Dylan is 21, up in Lawrence, Kansas. Former KOM sports videographer. Right here, KOM. Happy birthday, Dylan. Hope you're having a great one.
You know, we talk about those essential workers that keep our grocery stores going and whatnot, and it just so happens that Zach Sieber happens to be one of them. Zach, a happy 24th birthday to you. I've run into him before out at Dillon's. He does a marvelous job, so if you're out and about today and you got to go to Dillon's, make sure you say hi to Zach. He's the knacker.
Always pleasant to work with there. Happy birthday, Zach. Love seeing your face. David Lawson is celebrating the Big 5-0, showing off his muscles there. David in Pittsburgh.
You're going to lift that log by himself? Is that a rock?
He is. He's holding it. He's got the world on his shoulders there.
Shannon Hartman, a 54th birthday. Well, candid cotton action right there. Shannon, have a marvelous birthday in Baxter Springs.
I wonder what's on the side of that picture that's cut off. Oh, we will only guess. And Flores Hoosier in Fredonia, turning 55 years old. Looking great there, and happy birthday.
Oh, the party's just started in the Donia because Teresa Apollo, she turned 67 in Fredonia. Looks like Teresa has a new one to dote over as well. So number 1, Teresa, happy birthday. Number 2, congratulations.
All right, and Nancy White celebrating birthday number 73 this year. Happy birthday, Nancy in Fredonia. A lot of birthdays in Fredonia today.
Now, Miss Wilma Dooley, I want you to know that these special birthday wishes come from the kids, the grandkids, and the great-grandkids. Happy birthday, Miss Dooley in Columbus.
The Hawkins in Girard are celebrating 16 years of wedded bliss. What a wonderful picture there of Bob and Robin Hawkins. Congratulations.
25 years for Kevin and Peggy Hall. That's a good looking picture right there from the Halls. They're in Fort Scott.
I like that picture there. John and Bonnie Mozingo celebrating their 49th anniversary. Little throwback picture there. Looking good there. John and Bonnie are in Chetopa.
You've heard us talk about Will York before. He's our talented graphic artist that puts all these pictures together and makes this birthday list complete. Well, it just so happens that that gentleman on the right, that's Will's brother. Walter, you did a great job putting up with him, man. Great job. Happy 30th birthday to Walter York in Crestline. Kathy Leonard, she's celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday to Kathy. Lisa Nutt, happy birthday in Frontenac. And Ryan Long, we wouldn't forget you, my man. Happy birthday to Ryan as he just celebrated his 37th. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.